We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Poland. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting city names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, in Polish, this is said as Gdansk, Gdansk. Not a very strong emphasis on the G sound, not Gdansk, but rather Gdansk and a Gdansk sound. In British English, however, this is often pronounced as Gdansk, Gdansk. In American English, Gdansk, Gdansk. In Polish, Gdansk, Gdansk. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of cities whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.